Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we are exploring a fascinating new research paper titled Only Brains Align with Brains. This study asks a deep question. Does artificial intelligence actually process visual information the same way a human brain does? For years, scientists have compared AI vision models to biological systems using specific benchmarks. These tests usually look at one brain area at a time and compare it to one layer of an AI model. However, the researchers found that these tests often fail to distinguish between very different models. Many AIs end up with similar scores, a problem called effective equivalence, which makes it hard to find the best model. To fix this, the team introduced a new method called alignment pattern analysis. Instead of looking at individual parts, this test looks at how one brain region relates to every other region. Think of it like a relational fingerprint that defines the entire visual system's structure. The study used high-quality brain scan data from people watching naturalistic video clips. They discovered that these internal patterns are remarkably stable and consistent across different human beings. This makes the patterns a perfect gold standard for testing artificial intelligence. When the researchers put 47 state-of-the-art AI models to the test, the results were surprising. Even the most advanced models failed to replicate the complex relational patterns found in humans. Many AIs that seemed brain-aligned on simple tests were exposed as being very different under this new lens. The paper suggests that our current benchmarks might be saturated, meaning they are too easy to max out. This is problematic because it can trick us into thinking an AI is more brain-like than it actually is. The researchers argue that being a good tool for prediction is not the same as being a computational model of biology. We need these stricter standards to ensure AI development is heading in the right biological direction. These findings expose the limits of what we call normative models in computer vision. It turns out that matching the brain requires more than just high performance on image tasks. In the future, this pattern analysis could guide the creation of more human-like artificial intelligence. It helps us move away from superficial similarities and toward deep structural consistency. To recap, this research shows that many AI models only appear to match the brain because our tests were too simple. By looking at how different regions interact, we can finally see the true gaps between machine and man. This work provides a roadmap for building AIs that do not just see, but see like we do. Thanks for joining us on Summarize Science, and stay curious.